NSUI आणि NCPच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी गोवा विद्यापीठाचे घाळपण उक्ताडार हाडला। परीक्षेच्या निकालांचा घोळ घातिल्ल्याचा आरोप करत गोवा विद्यापीठाच्या विरोधात तांणी घोषणाबाजी केली। नव्यो परीक्षा तोंडार येवन पावल्यो तरी फाटल्या परीक्षांचे निकाल कित्याक जाहीर करिनात हो तांचो प्रश्न। घोषणाबाजी आणि धरणे धरल्या उपरांत निमणे कडेन विद्यापीठान जाल्ल्या परीक्षांचे निकाल जाहीर केले। परीक्षेच्या समन्वयकाक मेळपा खातीर विद्यार्थ्यांक खूबच संघर्ष करचो पडलो। विद्यापीठात 1,500 विद्यार्थी आसतना निकालाक कित्याक कळाव काडटात हो तांकां पडिल्लो प्रस्न। जाप विचारपाक विद्यार्थी वागळेच्या कॅबिनात गेले, पूण तिणें भितरल्यान दार बंद केल्लें। त्या उपरांत विद्यार्थी रजिस्ट्राराक वचून मेळ्ळे आनी त्या उपरांतच सांजे 4 सुमार समन्वयकाक मेळपाची तांकां परवानगी मेळ्ळी।
So we've come here to ask simple questions to the COE of examination, but she's not ready to answer us. She's locked the door. The exams are starting from 4 days from now and the results are still not being declared. We have not come here to hit her. We've not come here to do anything. We just came up with only simple questions to ask her when their results will be declared. But she's not ready to answer. She's gone inside and she's locked. I don't know why they are doing this to the students. And this has been a tradition by the Goa University. They have always been doing this and we don't have answers to this.
The JEE exam, which is held at the national level, its results are announced within a week. And Goa University, which has only 1,500 students, they are taking so much time to declare the results. Now they have still not declared the revaluation results and the exam dates are already out.
बांबोळेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्याम चारी।